Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. People love how it performs, and after using it myself, I totally agree. Hit the link in the description and see what all the hype is about. Hold up, you won't believe how good this one actually is. It's rare to find something that's both affordable and genuinely impressive, but this one nails it perfectly. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. The feedback from other buyers